Hello, my name is Pierre Cry and I'm a PhD student in the Stochastic Process Discovery field. The objective of this video is to present ProDist, a stochastic process discovery tool developed as part of my research work together with Andras Horvat and Paolo Ballarini. ProDist is implemented in Python 3. The main goal of this tool is to provide several research methods and algorithms for discovering stochastic process models from event logs within the context of process mining. These models capture two complementary aspects, the control flow aspect of event logs and their stochastic aspect, which is derived from the frequencies of observed traces. Within the tool, you can import event logs in the standard XCS format and discover either stochastic Petri nets or stochastic process trees, whose control flow parts are discovered using well-known process discovery methods, such as the inductive miner. Their stochastic parameters, transition weight in the case of stochastic Petri nets or node probabilities in the case of stochastic process trees, are initially set to uniform values. From there, ProDist provides three different procedures for refining these stochastic parameters, enabling the discovery of optimized stochastic process model that better captures the behavior observed in the event log. The first method provided by ProDist is a log-driven unfolding-based optimization framework. It is based on an unfolding procedure of the net state space, which allows us to compute the exact stochastic language of a Petri net for a given weight vector. The goal of this procedure is to optimize the weight vector in order to minimize the stochastic distance between the original event log and the stochastic Petri net enhanced with these weights. Two distance measures are supported, the Kullback-Leibler divergence and the Earth mover distance, which is computed only over the log traces. Four different solvers can be used in this optimization: LBFGSB, TNC, Powell, or NedlerMed. The user can provide a custom starting weight vector, otherwise, a number of candidate initial vectors must be specified. These are then randomly generated, and the best one is selected as the starting point. At the end of the procedure, the optimized stochastic Petri net is returned and can be exported. When launching the procedure, you can also select which version of the unfolding algorithm to use, the MIMOAS version or the standard one, and whether you want the procedure to compute the first order derivative of the Kullback-Leibler divergence. The second method implemented in ProDist is based on an approximate Bayesian computation sequential Monte Carlo procedure. This approach, multiple candidates weight vector are sampled from a step-by-step refined posterior law over the transition weights. For each candidate, the stochastic language of the Petri nets is estimated using the statistical model checker Cosmos. Then the Earth mover distance between the simulated model and the event log is computed. If the distance falls within an evolutive acceptance threshold, the sample is accepted and used to refine the distribution. The algorithm proceeds in layers. At each layer, the acceptance threshold is gradually tightened so that only models with higher conformance to the log are returned. As a result, the approximation of the posterior distribution over the model's weights become more and more precise. The algorithm stops when the improvement between two consecutive layers fall below a user-defined tolerance threshold. At that point, it generates the full posterior distribution of the weights and returns the optimized stochastic Petri net using the best weight vector from the final layer. The user can select the number of accepted samples at each layer and the improvement tolerance. When running this procedure, ProDist automatically generates a dedicated folder containing all simulation files and results. The third and final procedure in ProDist is an optimization-based method for stochastic process trees. This approach relies on a dedicated extension of the standard process tree formalism, which supports the definition of probability vectors on the internal node of the tree. Using this formalism, the procedure is able to simulate the stochastic process tree according to a given probability vector. An optimization algorithm is then applied to adjust these probabilities with the objective of discovering the parameters value that best reproduce the behavior observed in the event log. The user can select objective function, either the Kullback-Leibler divergence or the Earth mover's distance, and select the solvers. You can also select the number of simulations to balance the precision and the computation time. As the first method, the initial vector is either given by the user or selected randomly among multiple candidates. The result is an optimized stochastic process tree that combines the control flow structure discovered from the log with finely tuned stochastic parameters.